our class recording started, and we will discuss some issues here about your exams. Your total MCQ number is 20, right? You know that.
Yes,
There will be 20 MCQs, and time is given 30 minutes.
yes, sir.
We are giving you 10 minutes extra for technical issues, not for your exam. Okay, so don't go to the last moment. Okay, try to finish your exam within time and submit. Like you can submit by 30 minutes or 35 minutes, but don't go to the last moment, because after 40 minutes it will be automatically off. If you are waiting till to the last moment, maybe you are crossing the time and will not be able to submit. That will be a great problem for you. Okay.
Did I miss any discussion?
Yeah, you will get the recording of the discussions. No problem. We are telling the instructions.
Yeah,
That,
right. Can you tell me the instructions?
yeah, only the instructions of exam. And now I will discuss some, revision work. Okay. We in our revision classes, we
So what
discussed
is the
all the
duration of the
topics. Okay, first you tell me what are the topics you are going to take exams.
Sir, density, pressure, magnetism, waves.
Okay, waves coming earlier than magnetism, right? In order. And magnetism, you did not get, too much discussion.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That's why we gave you less questions from here. But waves, you got lots of discussions from your previous teacher, Atik sir, right?
but both in
And,
introductions were not sufficient.
and
No, sir.
you have notes, right, on waves.
Right.
Also,
Right.
I discussed with you, right, about waves.
Right.
And you have also lots of discussions, wide range of discussions on density and pressure, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah.
So you can answer from there easily, from density, pressure, and what?
Waves.
Waves.
Waves. Only magnetism, you had less, resources, and that's why I gave you less questions from there. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Now, topic-wise, let us discuss topic-wise. Basha,
Yes, sir.
can you send the snap of the participants? We
Okay,
already
sir.
have 14 participants. If after 10 minutes you check again, if you have
So
more
what is the exam
participants,
duration?
what you are asking? Who is asking?
So it's me, Ryan. What's the exam duration?
Exam duration is 30 minutes. You are getting 30 minutes for your exam, and
In case of any technical difficulties, do I have to inform you at advance?
listen, for technical difficulties, one thing is common, that is network problem, right?
Right.
And if you have network problem for 1 hour, 30 minutes or 20 minutes, then actually you cannot do the exam on time, right? But our system is like that. By 40 minutes you have to submit. That's why
Anyhow.
we suggest you not to go till to the last moment. Try to submit it within 35 minutes. Okay.
Right.
And the way we made the question paper, if you have enough knowledge, it will take not more than 25 minutes.
Right.
Whoever you are trying, it will not take more than 25 minutes. So don't go to the last moment. Okay.
Right.
Now this one is done about the exam instructions. Another point I am adding that when you are taking exam, other than the Wi-Fi, you take mobile data backup, okay, as
Yes.
backup. Maybe for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you have to work with that one. So it will not take your so much data. That's why during the exam time, not only for physics, even for all the exams, uh, this is my suggestion to you that you keep some backup data. Clear to you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
To get uninterrupted network. That will be better for you, better for us, better for everyone. Now let us discuss some, some questions, right? Or some things
Right.
from the topics we discussed. First of all, let us discuss about density. Already some students, they told me the formula of density. Now I am asking you one question from density.
Sir,
Yeah,
attendance.
attendance. I am seeing the participants.
Sir, I will send this to you.
Attendance?
Yeah, I am seeing the participants. There are 17 participants. So, Barsha Fahad,
Yes, sir.
you
I'm
can
taking
send
the
it again
screenshots.
after 5 minutes. Okay.
अच्छा
Yes, sir.
clearly नहीं
Anyone is joining, then you
Screenshot
send
আমার
again.
clearly नहीं कर देता
अरे बेटा सवाटे नहीं बोलते गए
সবারটাই দিচ্ছি সমস্যা নেই।
So, what you are seeing now on the screen? Hello.
So we're seeing demo questions.
Okay, some
That
questions.
these are
And
O-level
here,
past papers.
yeah, one of the past papers. Yeah, that's great. It is one of the past paper from Cambridge, and you see this question is related to the knowledge you have already, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So this one, I want you to try.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, yeah, everyone, please read silently, and I will ask anyone randomly. He will do it. Okay, he or she will do it. I'm giving you 1 minute to think about this working and other things. Okay, so
Sir, I got the
think,
answer.
think and tell me who got the answer.
Sir, me.
Sir, me, Adrita.
Sir, me too.
You, me too means
sir got it
you are
Adri
Barsha Fahad, right?
Sir, Abdita, yes, sir.
Sir, I
sir I also got
Yes,
it sir
I got it.
Lamisa
sir I
is
also got
also
it
talking. Lamis also got, right?
sir I also got it
Very
The same
good.
here.
So that's great. So here is the volume, right?
Right.
This
yes
is V. This is M, right?
M.
Right.
M by volume.
So what is the answer?
sir
Sir,
point
it's
0.8.
0.8.
0.8.
sir A
Yes.
0.8 gram centimeters
So if you get this type of questions, you can answer, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
yes sir
Even I gave you more easier questions, like you have to find the volume only, like small
Sir,
kids.
that's easy.
So, sir, that volume equals to
Yeah,
mass.
you know, for some of you, I have to, yeah, for some of you, I have to give easier questions. I gave 10 questions very easy. Okay,
Only 10, sir.
Only 10
and
questions, sir.
5 questions, 5 questions medium, and more 5 questions I gave a little bit harder, so that I can get who are more meritorious or more outstanding preparation. Yeah.
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah.
can I ask
you
you a
give
question?
the
Will we have to show our workings? I mean, we can't
No,
really
no,
show our
no, no. You do not want to show your working. Very good question. I like the question, and
Only we have to take.
but I have to add one thing with this, that when you are in front of the screen, you should keep one pencil, calculator, and the
Rough
copy,
paper.
right? Your copy with you. Copy, pencil, and calculator with you, so that if there is any numerical questions, you can do it fast, right?
Yes.
Only
So like
only
this
work
one, sir.
only working on the calculator, or only working in the in your brain,
Sir,
sometimes it's making wrong answer, right?
There are mistakes.
Yeah, sometimes it,
sir,
it does. Yeah.
can you give your
sir.
number in the chat?
Again, please, could you please speak louder?
Can you give your number in the chat?
I'm not getting you. Please, loudly.
Your number.
It's
Can
not.
you give your number in the chat?
Sir, can you provide us your number? We need your number.
Yeah, I gave you in Google
Phone number.
Classroom in previous post my number. Okay. So if you want it now, I'll give now again, right? In the group and Google Classroom, you'll get it. Okay, with the link. I'll send you the link of the exam paper, right? There I'll give you the number. And also in group, I will give you the number. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir, did you give our performance in 50
density
marks?
density is over, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
tell me the formula of pressure.
Pressure is equal to force by area.
Force by area.
Very good. So, area is inversely proportional to pressure, right?
Yes.
Sir, force
Yes,
by
sir.
surface area, right?
Yeah, surface area or base area,
And the
whatever
force
you
Same
are
thing.
saying.
Same thing. All are same.
Okay, so one thing you have to keep in your mind, that is area and pressure, these are inversely proportional, right? So if you are standing in a place that you are standing with one leg, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello. You are
Yes,
standing
sir.
with one leg.
Yes.
Again, you are standing with two legs.
Yes.
Okay, which time you are applying more pressure on the ground?
Sir, both time.
Sir, can you
Anyone,
repeat the
please?
question?
Yeah,
Sir, can you
I'm
repeat
repeating
it?
the question. Once you are standing
Sir,
by
one
one leg,
leg.
yeah. Again, you are
You
standing by two legs on the ground. So when you are applying more pressure,
Sir, two
When I'm
legs.
standing
with
on
the
one
one
leg.
leg,
Sir, one
because
leg.
On one
you're
leg.
exerting more pressure.
Pressure on the
okay,
leg.
Your body
so
weight,
the answer is
one
if you
leg.
are standing by one leg, then the force is same, right? Your weight is the force, isn't
Right.
it? And your weight is not changing. It remains the same.
Sir,
The force is same, but the surface area, when you are standing by 1 foot or one leg, that time your surface area or base area is smaller, right?
Yes, sir.
So the pressure will be
Greater. Greater.
Greater.
Greater.
greater. Pressure will be more. Clear this one about pressure? You have
yes,
another
sir.
formula on pressure. What is that formula?
Sir, G rho H. Pressure in liquids equals to G
H
A
rho
rho
G.
H.
Okay, very good. Now,
H rho G.
uh,
Same.
can
Yes.
you read it, Anmol? Question 13.
Yes,
Question
sir.
13.
Four
Can you read
identical
it?
beakers are filled with equal volumes of liquids P or Q, as shown. Liquid P is more dense than liquid Q. At which point is the pressure the least? Uh,
Yeah. So think of this.
okay, sir.
Which
Is it not
point? Which point
D?
the pressure will be least?
Is it
Maruf.
not D?
Maruf, you raise your hand. Yeah. Tell me the answer. Anmol, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. P is more dense than Q. Sir, sir, it can be B or D. Both are.
Sir, is it not D?
Sir, I'm confused in B and D, sir.
Okay, they are
बेटा
saying
तो सेम
least
जगह है bro.
pressure. Anmol is very close that it could be B or D because it depends on height, right? So height
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
is same here, but the
The
density, you see,
density.
density, they are saying another information, you see, what they are saying, look, liquid P is more dense than liquid Q, right?
Yes, sir.
So which one will apply more pressure?
D.
So liquid D.
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 There is liquid Q, not liquid D. It's liquid Q, right? Liquid Q, it has less density, right? Liquid
Yes.
P, it has more density. So where is P? P is here, right? P
Yes,
is
sir.
P
So
has
liquid
more
Q has the
density.
maximum amount of density.
Yeah. So it's H rho G. Which one has more density? It will have more pressure, right?
Right.
Isn't it? But they are asking
Yes.
Right.
you least pressure, so it should be D.
It will be D. D
Yeah,
for Dhaka.
Adrita is correct.
Sir, D.
Yeah, that's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
If you get this type of question,
Yes, sir.
then you can answer, right? Hey, who is Bushra
No
Alam?
sir.
Hello, who is Bushra Alam?
Sir, not in our class.
Okay, now it's clear to you about the liquid pressure. Hello, this one,
Yes.
everyone
Yes,
is
sir.
clear? Your
Yes, sir.
formula is P equals
Pressure
H
is
rho
minimum
G.
at the
So,
surface.
sorry?
Because pressure is minimum at the surface, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because liquid height, you see, we have to think about the liquid height from the surface. Okay, clear now, everyone?
Here.
Yes.
Okay, then pressure is done. Pressure is done, right? Hello, everyone.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Now about the waves. You know about the the wave terms like amplitude. What is called amplitude? What is called wavelength?
Wavelength.
What is called frequency, right? And
Hmm.
you also know transverse waves. You also know
Longitudinal,
Longitudinal wave.
longitudinal waves.
electromagnetic.
And longitudinal waves, in longitudinal waves, vibration is left and right, isn't it? Sideways,
Yes, sir.
And sir, in
to and
transverse,
fro,
it
to
Sir,
and
travels
fro.
parallel to the
perpendicular.
motion of waves.
Yeah, very good. Then in transverse wave, it's up and
Sir,
down.
parallel.
Perpendicular.
Yes.
Perpendicular,
Perpendicular.
perpendicular.
Perpendicular. In
Are
transverse, it is called
perpendicular.
perpendicular or up and down, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
you know all these ideas, you can answer waves questions, and you also know the examples, right? Which are transverse
Yes.
Yes.
waves. Uh,
Yes.
Transverse waves are all electromagnetic waves, like
Yes, sir. Including light
wavelengths,
Microwave,
waves,
microwaves,
light.
X-rays,
X-ray,
light,
gamma
all
ray.
these, and water wave also, right? In transverse
Yes.
wave, we have also list of water waves, and for longitudinal waves, there is one thing common, that is sound waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Okay, remember
Sir,
it, everyone.
Sir, waves in a spring also. Spring.
If
Yeah.
it depends. In a string, it depends. It can be transverse, it can be longitudinal. Okay, it's not
Hmm.
fixed. Clear now about waves? Now
Yes,
about
sir.
magnetism. Magnetism, what are the properties of magnetic field lines? You know, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, they are going from, they are starting from North
North
Pole
North,
Pole.
and ending to the
North Pole
South
to
Pole.
South Pole.
North Pole,
Yeah,
and indicate South Pole.
and you should
And they
you
repel each
should
other.
understand it from the arrow, right? How they are
Yes,
moving.
sir.
From the arrow, you can understand its direction. Then,
Yes.
what is another property?
They repel each other.
Yeah,
Like poles repel and unlike pole attract.
no,
Yes.
about
Yes.
the magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines, they are closest at the poles, right?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Right.
They are closest
Oh,
And
at
yes.
the
they
poles.
never cross over. They never cross
Yes.
over.
Crossover.
Crossover.
Okay, now we are closing it. Uh, uh, can anyone tell me who is Bushra? Bushra Alam? Is it a student? Our student?
No.
No idea.
Okay. So I saw one student, that Bushra Alam, in the waiting. So we
স্যার
are closing
আমি
it
আমার
now.
বোনের অ্যাকাউন্ট সেট হয়ে গেছে
Everyone,
কি
to share the link,
ব্রাহ্মণে
I am closing it now. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you
Yes,
all.
sir.
Best of luck, everyone. If you have any queries, you can share it in our messenger group or in Google Classroom, or you can call me directly. Okay. I
Okay.
think you will not
Sir.
need it, but in case of emergency, if you need, you can do it. Okay. Okay. Again, best of
Yes,
luck.
sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Sir, bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Sir, you will give the link now.
Yes.
And sir, we will start the exam at 10.
Yes.
Okay.